I gotta clean some wheels out on my wife's desk chair. I just thought I'd take a second to show you how you can do that. Now there's different models of desk chairs and different wheels, but for this particular type, it's usually hair that binds these things up. And in order to get them off, get you a good sized screwdriver. Now this works on this type of a wheel. There are lots of different kinds, but get you a couple of two good sized screwdrivers and shove them up under there. And just, I'm kind of prying down with one and up with the other. You just have to kind of work it off of there. There it goes. Well, there. And then once it pops off, you can see that big wad of hair right there. And there's a bunch on this one too. Now here's the wheel taken apart, and if you have a vise that you can put this part in, you want to be sure that you don't tear up this part because that's what it rolls on. But this part in the middle, if you can clamp it in something, it makes it very easy to get that other side. Right off of there. Let me do one more. I actually got that one kind of too far down, made it a lot harder than it had to be. There you go. Okay, so to put them back in, we just got them cleaned. I took them apart completely put them in a vise and pried it up as you just saw. Get you some like 3-in-1 oil and put a little drop on the side inside the hole in there. You set the axle right down in there, and you can take like a rubber mallet, set this on the floor and whack it down in there. If you happen to have a big pair of channel locks like I do, that makes it really easy. You just pop it in there like that. Then get you another wheel, put you a drop of oil inside, and then set this in there. Now it's not going to slide through because it's knurled right there, but just push it through a little bit and then set that bottom one on there. Now I'm doing this with some channel locks, and I can just pop it on there like that. Now if I didn't have those, I would just put one side flat on the floor and hit the other side with a rubber mallet, and that would pop it on there. And you can see now they just turn really freely. Alright, well I hope that was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.